Hey, what's up guys? This is Alex again. I haven't made a commuter vlog in a long time and things have changed, of course. So right now I'm in North Carolina. I woke up, took a shower, just getting ready to go on my commuter flight to Miami. Of course, in North Carolina you get some Bojangles for a meal before you leave. So stay tuned to see where I'm going. I have everything in here I need. I know it sounds kind of lazy, but usually I just pack enough for like a week, and then after a week take all my dirty clothes out and then replenish my suitcase with new clothes. And so that's how I answer that question. Along with my suitcase that I live out of, I have my tote bag, got my passport, power bank, which is very important for world travelers like me. Got my laptop to do some work online, and my tablet for work. This is what we use as flight attendants to charge for any food, liquor, and that's how we make transactions. So I'm gonna finish getting ready and then see you guys on the road. Alright guys, I'm about to leave North Carolina. As you can tell, we had snow. So I'm going from snow to the beach. Alright guys, I'm about to drive to the airport. My uncle is taking me there. Well, I'm driving there and then he's driving back. Here we go. Alright guys, I made it to the airport. Gonna go check in, see if I could get on my standby flight. But yeah, as flight attendants, when we're commuting around or traveling, depending on where we're going, we're on the standby list. Sometimes you get on, sometimes you don't. But the loads look pretty light today, so I'll be able to get on with no problem. Alright, so good news guys. I got a seat. Catching a shuttle to it's a place called my crash pad. But crash pad is basically I say it's like a hostel. You know, it's like a place where it could be an apartment, it could be a house, and a lot of flight attendants would move in there, live in like bunk beds. Each person will have a bed. And basically it's a place where flight attendants will just crash. Alright guys, so this is crash pad. My homies are in here. Wow, a full house. Everybody's full house.
What's up, man?
Hi everybody. This is my commuter vlog I'm making.
What's up, man?
There's a ringleader right there, cleaning the apartment. It's my living quarters. My little bed right there. Hey, what's up guys? I'm dressed to go to work in my uniform. I try to sign in with my phone, but I can't do that. So now I'm going to what we call our operations facilities for flight attendants, and I can check in there. Just in the elevator now. Woo! I signed in as you just saw, checked my mailbox, but now I'm on my way to the gate to meet my crew. Alright guys, this is where I'm going today. First time. Barcelona looks pretty good. And there's a plane that will take all of us to Barcelona.
Alright guys, going on the jet bridge.
Oh, here's our plane. Lovely 777-200. Little bar right here. This is our galley. Alright, well, I'll talk to you guys later. I got set up and off to Barcelona we go. tips for people that want to be a flight attendant or are looking into being a flight attendant? What's your tip? Think long and hard about it. What's up, guys? I am in Barcelona. Got off the airplane, took a bus with the crew to the hotel. Can't tell you where. Can't have you guys people finding me now on my layover. I'm just kidding, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was very informative for people that are curious about the flight attendant life and the job. But stay tuned for another video of my adventure in Barcelona. But overall, this job is awesome. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will gladly answer them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and follow me on Instagram as well, 4HG Traveler. I'll see you later, guys. Bye-bye.